All right, good evening, everybody. James here, and this is, I believe, day 12 of the Small Account Challenge. Today was a good day, and mainly thanks to US Steel doing a great recovery. Um, it, let's see, we'll start with actually, I did two trades today, and I'm actually swinging them into tomorrow. So the first one I did was actually silver, and I got silver actually because it did a long run up and consolidated and actually did a 3-8 cross this morning, and when it gapped down, um, and it has a little run here to the 200 moving average. So I actually entered this morning, and I'm shooting for like a test of the 200. Um, so hopefully that'll at least get me 10% tomorrow. I don't need it to hit the 200, but that would be my goal. It's really going to be how it acts. I know it kind of just went sideways for the most part today. Um, so assuming we get a nice fill down, we'll get a good 10% out of that, if not more. The next trade I did was on XOP. And I did that one on a 1330 cross on the hourly this morning. And it was this candle here. I'll zoom in so you can see it better. I got the entry to get in on this candle here, crossed over. I entered and it kind of went against me. I'm sitting a little bit upside down right now. If I get the crossover back towards the bullish side, I will go ahead and get out of this one. Otherwise, I'm going to hang out and see if it drops back down a little bit more. So I'm sitting about 35% upside down on XOP and just 10% on silver. And we'll see how tomorrow goes. Hopefully, I can get out of both of them. Now, US Steel actually had a very good day today. And it just ran up, and it tested the same line I had down here, right around the 2019 range. I'm sorry, 21-25 range. It doesn't seem to want to get past it, so that was pretty much my get out spot. And I went and trailed this a little bit. I got out at 140 or for $1.43 at 7.56, and then when it would just wouldn't get past the high a day, which was at that time 802. So that was right around here was high a day at the time. Um, it already passed, the 21.25, and I felt it wasn't going to keep surpassing it, especially after this really good day it had. So I went ahead and got out of the second contract for $1.48 about what 8 minutes later. It did rise a little bit more, but that's it. And then it kind of trailed sideways the rest of the day. So I actually got, like, I think it was 10% on that one or 11%. Let's see if that loads. Oh, wait. Okay. AMD also, that's the next one I've been in for quite a few days. AMD had a good day as well. Um, Come on, computer. So it started off bad, but then it turned around and just rose the rest of the day. Kind of sideways here in after market hours, but I had a good run. I'm actually up considerably from yesterday, so quite happy with that. Um, I think I was over 50% loss yesterday. So maybe we'll get a little bit more run here and I can get out even or even a 10%. So I recovered a lot here, you know, the 101 from X US Steel. That helped out. So I'm almost back up to the starting point on my challenge. Sorry, I had a mind blank. So slow and surely we are going to go ahead and recover that. I am also testing out a new kind of scan here to see if I can't maybe help out this challenge. I'm paper trading that. Um, Started it today, and I want to see the results after about 5 days of trading to see if it's something I want to introduce to this and maybe give us a better advantage. Right now, kind of doing momentum runs. I want to try a scanning that I have from previous trading about a year ago, and it worked good then. So I want to try it on options instead of stocks, and we'll see. So I'll let you know the results of that probably next Friday. That'll give me a good count, and maybe we can implement that into some of the trading here. So that is where we are. Well, let's look for a good Green Friday. Thank you guys and have a good night.